Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp call not working on iPhone and iPad after iOS update. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. We start from basic. Restart your iPhone. To restart iPhone, first launch Settings, tap General. Scroll down and tap Shutdown. Drag the slider to power off, wait for a minute and turn on your iPhone. Solution number 2. Allow necessary permission. For that, launch Settings, scroll down, find and tap on WhatsApp. Under WhatsApp, we have to make sure Contacts, Microphone, Camera are enabled. Solution number 3. Enable local network. To check that, launch Settings, scroll down, find and tap on Privacy, then tap Local Network. Under Local Network, we have to make sure WhatsApp is turned on. Solution number 4. Check app limit on iPhone. To check that, launch Settings, tap Screen Time, then tap App Limits and tap WhatsApp, tap Delete Limit and tap again Delete Limit. Solution number 5. Check internet connection. For WhatsApp video call, make sure that you have a good internet connection. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.